Good morning, everybody. I mean, good to see you this morning. Even this weekend, Saturday, Dr. Salam and our friend from China Railway, which is the most important government company in Chinese, one of the biggest in the world, and Hussam, top engineer in our Habtoor group. How you arrived now regarding the transportation and the slicing of the metropolitan hotel Beirut, Dr. Salam?
We studied the building and the concrete design and the structural design for the building with objective to slice it down to reduce it to transformable and possibility of shipment and transportation from the current site to neighboring sites. And we have used the same methodology applied previously in China with expertise of China Rail to adopt the same methodology. And Mr. Zhu can proceed with this today.
We have just allowed as beginning study. We will strengthen each and every joint horizontally and vertically. Okay, make sure the structure is safe. Then we have proper track, then transport, then to shift to the place where we plan. That's
You mean
Beirut.
the truck you are talking about is like a trailer with a platform, huge,
Jacked up trailer.
like jack, etc., to transport it to the barge?
That is one option. Other one also, if this short distance, we can also build like the track.
Like rail.
Yes,
rail.
yes.
Ah, excellent. That's fantastic. I mean, that's more easier. I mean, to transport it into the barge.
We reviewed the possibility of two means for transporting the sections. It's going to be jumbo sections. Road transport, we found it is quite difficult because of the restrictions on the highway. Road bridges, as Mr. Khalaf said, non-straight road. So we go
And mountains as well.
Mountain. So what we suggested is just to transport the piece into the port where it can be loaded into large barge. Barge is safe, higher capacity, it can take higher loads, and it's straight from port to port.
It's good. Now, my question, I know I have seen the drawings and the roadmap you are planning to do. You know, we are talking now theoretically, but practically also 100% you are guaranteed that, happy about it.
We have to
Technical engineering wise.
technically safe and sound and proven acceptable to be practiced. It has been done before in China, in Japan, in a number of countries, and we definitely can do it again.
Excellent. But this is different, you know, which we are doing it. And the only thing what you will do in the other country you are transporting is the piles and the ground floor, lobby.
We will copy what is there in the new destination.
I mean, all typical floor with their furniture, everything will be transported with the air condition, everything.
Exactly. Just to place it from there to here, from point to point. The same setup, the same arrangement, the same columns, everything will be typical here. And as you always have from us, we're going to give complete solution, safe, viability, commercial, to present it to you to make a decision.
Okay. And the barge should be flat barge, and the sea should be quiet that time as well.
Yes.
Because you don't want it also rough.
It will be investigated to know the best time for transporting.
This time
For the tide,
and close to the coast as well. This is, I think, technically we arrived into a solution. The only thing is the sea. We have to be very careful. Only we have to move the barge when it is very quiet. Because, you know, you are transporting something, I cannot call it fragile, but it is high.
It's a low tide.
Yeah, exactly. But that's great. You did a great job. Thank you very much, all of you, for the study. Thank you.